Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get these items from the Winter Spotlight. I don't know if it's still on, but the app, like the game, is still available for you to try. So search up Winter Spotlight and you're just going to press play. And basically, on Winter Spotlight, they kind of gather together with, I guess, other games. As you can see, you can't really play the games anymore, but this will be available later on. Here you can still go inside of the games, but I'm not sure if you can claim the badges as well as the blue and red gems. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. You can just play the games though that are available. But that is the first Winter Spotlight ever on Roblox. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.